Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how we can make delicious chili flakes right in your own kitchen. It's an easy guide to creating a versatile spice that will elevate your cooking. First, you'll want to select about 1 pound of fresh, ripe chili peppers. Make sure to wash them thoroughly and then dry them completely. Next, carefully remove all the stems from the peppers, preparing them for the next crucial step. Now, let's talk about drying your chili peppers. You have a few excellent options. You can air dry them by stringing them up in a well-ventilated spot for a few weeks until they are completely brittle. Alternatively, a food dehydrator set to about 125 degrees Fahrenheit works wonderfully, taking 8 to 12 hours. If using an oven, set it to its lowest temperature, leaving the door slightly ajar for several hours until the peppers are crisp. Once your chili peppers are perfectly dry and brittle, it's time to turn them into flakes. You can use a spice grinder, a dedicated coffee grinder, or even a traditional mortar and pestle. The key is to pulse the dried peppers in short bursts. This method allows you to control the consistency, ensuring you get beautiful, coarse flakes rather than a fine powder. Grind them to your preferred texture, whether you like them slightly larger or finer. Finally, let's discuss storing your wonderful homemade chili flakes. To keep them fresh and potent, transfer them into an airtight container immediately after grinding. Store this container in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. When stored correctly, your chili flakes will retain their vibrant color and intense flavor for several months, ready to add a fantastic spicy kick to pizzas, pasta, eggs, or any dish you desire. Enjoy your homemade spice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.